Dear children, good morning to all. Welcome to our EVS class. I hope you all are understand the previous classes topic, right? Okay, cuties. Now we will see a small recap for that topic. Okay. Our human body parts. Okay. Human body parts can divided into two types: internal body part, external body parts. External body part means we can touch and see is called external body parts. For example, head, face, eyes, nose, shoulder, arm, leg. Okay, cuties. Internal body part means we cannot see and touch is called internal body parts. For example, brain, lungs, heart, stomach. Now let's see brain. Our brain helps us to think and remembering things, and also helps us to do different kinds of activities. Okay. Lungs. Lungs helps us to breathe air and it supplies air to all our body parts. We all have two lungs. Okay. Next, heart. Our heart pumps blood to all our body parts. Our heart pumps blood to all our internal and external body parts. Okay, cuties. Next, stomach. Our stomach helps us to digest food and give energy to all our body. Okay. Today we are going to see the topic is bones. Bone. Okay. Ask me, cuties, how the bone looks like. How the bone looks like. Yes, our bones are whitish yellow in color and hard to touch. Can you touch your bone, cuties? Can you touch your bone? How you feel that? Yes, it is very hard to touch. Okay, cuties. Our bones protects internal organs to our body. Our bone protects internal organs of our body. Bones give shape to our body and helps us to do many activities. Bones give shape to our body and also helps us to do many activities. Our body bones are joined together to form a skeleton. Our body bones are joined together to form a skeleton. Okay, what is skeleton? Yes, skeleton is a structure of our body bones. Skeleton is a structure of our body bones. Okay, cuties. Our body major bones are like skull, rib cage, backbone, arm bone and leg bone. Okay, cuties. These bones are a major bones in our body. Okay, do you understand? Yes. Skull. We already know the skull bone. Okay. Skull protects our brain. Yes, our skull protects our brain. Okay. Next, rib cage. Rib cage is a group of bones that protect lungs and heart. Let's see. Can you see this picture, cuties? Rib cage. Our rib cage bone protects our lungs and heart. Did you understand, cuties? Okay. Our next bone, backbone. Backbone is set of small bones. Backbone is a set of small bones. This is backbone, cuties. It is a set of small bones that helps us to stand straight and supports our entire body. It helps us to stand straight and it supports our entire body tango. Okay. Our next bone is arm and leg bone. Arm and leg bone. Arm and leg bones are gives shape to our body. Arm and leg bones are gives shape to our body. It helps us to move and perform different kind of activities. These bones are helps us to perform many activities and move one place to another place. Okay. Now I ask you few questions, kutties. You have to think and answer it. Otherwise, listen carefully. Okay. How the backbone helps us? Let's see, kutties, how the backbone helps us. Yes, our backbone helps to stand straight and it supports our whole body. Okay. My next question is, what does rib cage do? Yes, the bone rib cage protects our heart and lungs. The bone rib cage is a set of, it is a group of bones tango. Rib cage is a group of small bones. It protects our lungs and heart. Did you understand? Okay. Now let's see which bone protects our brain. Yes, the bone skull. The bone skull protects our brain. Okay. Which bone helps us to move and perform many activities? Think. Let's think, kutties. Which bone helps us to move and perform many activities? Yes, the leg and arms. Arm bone helps to perform many activities and move. Okay. Now once again I explain you, kutties. The structure of our bone is called skeleton. Okay. Structure of our body bone is called skeleton. We all have many bones. The major bones are skull, rib cage, backbone, arm bone and leg bone. Okay. Skull protects our brain and rib cage bone protects our heart and lungs. Our backbone helps to stand straight and supports our entire body tango. Arm bones and leg bones are helps to move and perform different kind of activities. Did you understand, kutties? Okay. Now we are going to see the worksheet 9. Okay, worksheet 9. Question number 1. Label the bones by using the words given below. Okay. Here you have to label the correct word to this picture. Okay. Rib cage, leg, skull, backbone and arm. Okay. You have to label in correct word to this picture. Next question is, write true or false. Let's think if the answer is true or false. You have to find out and answer here. Okay. Our third question is, fill in the blanks. You have to fill the answer in this sentence correctly. Okay. Our fourth question is, answer the Question: what would happen if we did not have a backbone? If we did not have backbone means what will you do? If you did not have backbone means what will you do? Think and answer it, okay? Dear parents, please help to your child to do this worksheet 9 properly. Thank you.